This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve deleted photos and videos on your Android tablet. So if you accidentally went ahead and just deleted something from here, you can undelete it very easily. So there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You can try going to Google Photos and there's a trash option on here. But this is showing a lot of stuff that's on my account, not on my tablet. So what I want to do is just swipe up from the bottom here and just type in Files. So let's go to Files now. Now if we look in the top left, there's an option for Trash. So if something got deleted, it'll be in here. And you only have 30 days to retrieve your photo, otherwise it's going to be permanently deleted. So we can just tap on the photo we want, go all the way down here to Restore, and then we can get it back onto our device. So you can see it should be under our images or videos depending on what we just recovered. So let's go to videos, and it might have been like this first one right here where I'm trying out this microphone. So it's very easy to restore your deleted photos or videos. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.